I think it's of paramount importance now that all research focuses on the needs of society. I don't think ever before in our time have we had such an ageing population, which does bring with it its own very special challenges. Migration is another big influence on Europe, falling birth rates, and also the time allowed with a physician now is down to 12 minutes. So we want to be very focused on what we're trying to achieve, and the best way to do that is to work together. I think the unmet medical needs is certainly the illnesses which are really hitting the ageing population. So they're the chronic, progressive illnesses, certainly the brain diseases. It's really necessary to focus on these long-term and very expensive illnesses. For instance, in CNS, the central nervous system illnesses, they're very challenging. How are we going to detect and manage dementia better? And I think what is important here, that it's not just the science. The science is there, they're doing some excellent research, but it's how long it takes to get that excellent science, the molecule, through all the processes to get into the patients. And this is really very unsatisfactory at the moment. The clinical trials are, I think, out of date. They're 50 years old, they need re-looking at. And the whole regulatory process needs to be speeded up. In an ageing population, you know, you haven't got the leeway to wait for 13.5 years for a new medicine. I think it's very challenging to involve the patients in early planning and research. And my preference, but it's not always a popular solution, is that we should drop the word patients and start talking about society. In that way, once we're into society, we can start talking about all the work we should be doing on prevention. Because, you know, our population, a lot of them are very healthy, but they are sleepwalking into some very serious diseases. So I think if we talk about society, that's something we can all buy into, whether we're a scientist, a clinician, part of the regulatory, payers, all of us are part of society. And it's what we would all want. And I tell you, we will only achieve what we all want is by working together, sharing the responsibilities and sharing ideas, and above all, finding innovation.